Nandito tayo ngayon sa Barangay Wawa at Barangay Buot, Tanawan, Batangas upang masaksihan ang kanilang water sports competition tulad ng canoe, kayak at dragon boat. Mayor, balita ako, mag-host ang Tanawan ng water sports.
Oh yeah, kasi nasubukan nila nung PCKF, yung Philippine Canoe and Kayak Federation, nag-stage sila dito ng competition noon. At nakita nila kung gaano kaganda yung lawa ng Taal. Tahimik ang tubig, hindi mahangin masyado, no? At nakita nila na ideal yon para sa kanilang races. Kaya they decided na dito gawin yung kanilang national competition. At yun nga, maganda ang nangyari, no? Lahat sila ay nasiyahan sa organization. Yung ating mga participants ay na-accommodate natin dito sa Tanawan. Ang lahat ng mga manunood, ay mga turista na mahilig manood ng ganong sports ay nagdagsaan dito at nakita nila kung paano ang capability ng Tanawan para mag-host ng ganong palaro. It was a very successful na sports competition at sana ay ulit-ulitin pa. Yung kasi mga PCKF ay nagsabi na kung pwede nga lang dito na sila magpa-practice. Marami dito mga participants sa dumating na nakita nila na napaka-ideal yung katahimikan ng lawa ng Taal sa panahong ito, no? Para sa Dragon Boat Race. So sana ay mangyari na talagang taon-taon ay dito nila gawin yung kanilang
Dragon boat lang ba, Mayor, or may iba pang sports?
May iba-iba yan.
Like,
at canoeing, o iba-iba paddlers. Iba-iba yan eh. May mga maliliit na mga bangka, no? May mga paddlers yun eh. Iba't ibang category.
Ma'am, bakit po napili niyo ang Tanawan, Batangas?
Actually, when we had a meeting with the Philippine Sports Commission, they told us that it's better to do this in any parts of Luzon, no? So, hindi lang naman to talaga for Batangas or ano. We plan to spread the sport all over the country. But for the first PNG, we had this in Bacolod. Second was in Caliraya, Laguna. Third was in Manila Bay. And fourth is in Batangas. So we continuously we do scout for places like this na alam mo naman ang Philippines is talagang rich in coastal shoreline. So we really want to promote the sport and hopefully scout for a grassroots program. And kasi we had this event during their festival last year, last November, and fortunate enough that they tapped us to help them build their own team. So they have this Sagwan Tanawan, and we're happy
so they
that
have their own team na.
Yes, we help them develop it. We help them form a new team. So hopefully, for every event that we're going to have, makasama namin sila. We had the canoe and the kayak racing, the touring kayak, the triac, no?
Anong ibig sabihin nun, ma'am?
Yung kayak kasi, it's a sit on the boat and then you do a double-bladed paddle. So, yung parang recreation kayak natin. These two, canoe and kayak, are Olympic event. So, ginagawa rin namin to para hopefully makakuha kami ng mga paddlers para mas mapalakas natin yung development natin ng Olympic event. So for the canoe, it's a kneeling position. We can show you some videos na single-bladed paddle na ginagamit nila for and then wala siyang timon.
Ma'am, how about the dragon boat?
For the Dragon Boat, this is a team event, no? So, ang dami nating members. Most of our members are really into Dragon Boat racing, no? Kasi we have a standard boat and the 10-seater boat. So, makikita niyo yung bangka, mas mahaba at mas malaki, yung isa mas maliit. So, yung sa standard boat, it's composed of 20 paddlers, 1 drummer, and 1 steersman. For the small boat, it's 10 paddlers, 1 drummer, and 1 steersman. So, marami tayong event today, but Ang ginawa lang natin, since this is a one-day event, it's only for the 500 meters.
Siyempre, as President, ma'am, ano yung pwede nyo pang may advice dun sa gustong sumali at magkaya?
Gustong sumali, everybody's welcome, no? Just approach us, ask for Philippine Olympic Committee or Philippine Sports Commission our numbers, and you can approach us anytime. We can bring the sport to you, or you can come to us and we'll train you.
Mayor, invite na po natin lahat ng mga nanonood at interesado na pumunta sa Tanawan para mag-water sports.
Yeah, of course, kayo po lahat na may hilig sa water sports, dito pong aming Lawa ng Taal ay nakahanda, naghihintay sa inyo. Napakaganda po ng kalikasan dito. Tayo niregaluhan ng nature, napakagandang paligid, no? Matahimik na tubig. At pagka panahon na malakas ang hangin, napakalakas ng hangin, tama-tama sa boat sailing, mga sailing, no? Kayo po ay inaanyayahan namin at sinisiguro ko sa inyo, masisiyahan kayo. Mababait ang tao dito sa Tanawan, very hospitable, mapalakaibigan, at huwag kayo maglala sa security, babantayan namin kayo. Sinisiguro ko sa inyo, masisiyahan kayo pag kayo nagpunta rito at mag-enjoy para ng kung ano man ang magagawa sa water sports dito sa Tanawan.